Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I made some chocolate box, Kscrafts chocolate box, goodie box, I guess. I don't know. Guys, I'm hungry. Anyway, this is the Kscraft die. I think this is a recent die release. So chocolate box for Valentine's. And the lips are also Kscraft, and the words are also Kscraft. So this is the new Valentine word set. It has cute babe, girl gang, moi, and February. So I use the moi, I use the lips. This is a bag topper. And I just cut out the layering piece and the offset. And then I just cut off the very top where it would attach to the other side. So I just made sure I shaped it like the lip. And these stickers are all Dollar Tree stickers, except for this one, the foam. I think that is a Walmart sticker set. I might be wrong, but it's all owed. It's from my stash. This paper right here is an American Crafts cardstock. And it's textured already for you. I love the way this makes the lips shimmer. And then I'll use glitter cardstock back here, the pink one. That's the Michaels glitter cardstock. And the foam is from Walmart. That's the craft foam. So I put the box together and I use this paper from the paper pad. It's a old Michaels paper pad. It's Better Together, and this is one of the cardstocks that I used. And there's also a purple in here. It's a purple hearts. Looks like this. So that's all in the same paper pad. Then yeah, so you can't fit a Hershey bar in here, so I put the Reese's cups in here. They're the Valentine version of the Reese's cups. They look like this. Heart, milk chocolate, peanut butter, Reese's. And then I added some Velcro on the inside so that you don't have to tear it apart if you don't want to. You can just open it up on the top with some Velcro. And the other side is I glued it shut. So you just open the top up and take the candy out. So I put, this fits 3 pieces of the Reese's cups. So I'm sure you could fit more things in here, but that's what I put in there. Well, okay guys, well that is it. I just wanted to come on and share this little project with you. Thought that was great. Everything is from Kscrafts, if you're not familiar. Yeah, I think I picked all of them up from Amazon. Yeah, because they come in this white bag. So I got them all off from Amazon. All right, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Join the crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. It is free to join. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video here on my channel, or if I do a live with myself or crafty friends. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.